welcome to the Academy of Modern Martial Arts instructional video series. Today we're going to be focusing on footwork, utilizing our belt.
Footwork is incredibly important. It is the footwork that gets us both into and out of range. One of the most important aspects to maintaining functional footwork is keeping both depth and width to our stance, whether we're talking about an offensive stance or a defensive stance. Today we're going to utilize a belt as a training tool to help us maintain the width in our stances.
First, you're going to unfold your belt, then lay it vertically on the floor next to you. You're going to put one foot across to the other side of the belt, so you're about shoulder width and hip width apart, with one foot on either side of the belt. Moving one foot forward so that you have it shoulder width deep as well. Bending your knees, making certain there's some flexibility to it, lifting up on the sternum, getting your hands and fists, and in the position for your offensive stance. Next, we're going to look at doing some movement. Closing and closing, making certain that you keep your feet on either side of the belt while you're closing and opening so that you maintain a nice wide stance and your feet don't cross up or become narrow like you're walking on the tightrope. You can switch your stance and then try it on the other side and see how it works on that side. Notice whether your feet are coming together or are they staying on both sides of the belt as you do the close and open. Parents, you can call out the different movements for the kids as they do this. Closing means moving closer to your target or moving forward. Opening is moving away from the target or opening the distance. You can use a simple phrase as close, open, 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 and switch your stance. Then they can do whatever it is you're asking them to do in a variety of different sequences. And then have them relax, shake it out. And we're going to do it all again, but we're going to do it from our defensive stance. So you're going to make certain that they turn their hips 45-degree angle. Both feet are still on either side of the belt. Their legs are bent. This time, their lead hand is going to be in front of their face with their rear hand underneath that elbow. Just like we did in our offensive stance, you want to call out the commands of close and open or switch so that they can follow along, making certain that they keep all of the same things in mind, keeping both of their feet on either side of the belt and making certain that their knees stay bent and they're able to have the mobility that we're looking for in this exercise. The nice thing about doing this exercise is something that anybody from beginner on up to advanced student can practice so that they can improve their skills. Whether you're working on this exercise alone or you have a helpful partner calling out instructions for you, footwork is one of the most fundamental aspects to effective sparring and self-defense. Doing footwork drills with a belt will let you know if you're maintaining an effective stance. Have fun mixing and matching while making up your own footwork drills. With a little time and attention, your footwork will be better than ever. Thank you for watching, and we'll look forward to seeing you soon.